अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे लाइबा से a little more about SPF कितना होना चाहिए सनब्लॉक के अंदर. She was actually just telling us as well. ब्रेक में मुझे और समझा रही थी, अब आप लोगों को भी समझाएंगी. And उसके बाद let us know some products as well, Laiba.
Yeah.
Like how's Pond's such a good product in the market right now as well. So how is it helping women?
You actually, you're right, क्योंकि majority लोगों के यही questions होते हैं DMs में भी, consultations में भी कि हम use क्या करें, because there's so much available in the market.
Yes.
And they're confused.
Yeah.
Like I said, you need to be aware कि हमें कौन सा product suit करता है. But niacinamide is a product जो हर किसी को suit करता है.
Okay.
So I was really happy going through that range of Ponds कि उन्होंने they've infused niacinamide in everything.
Okay,
and
great.
that has made it beautiful.
Okay.
क्योंकि face wash maybe they have a niacinamide and they have a really nice serum. This glutathione complex that our awam has apparently, that it makes you brighten. That actually does the work. It actually does work, right?
Okay.
And now they've come up with an infusion of niacinamide and glutathione. So that is like a powerhouse they've built in that serum to give you a brightening effect.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so that will help you with the dark spots. It will also
and how long does it take to work since you've already used it?
So it takes, you see, skin takes time, obviously, but I think around after 10 days you start seeing the results. But with their moisturizer, trust me, within 7 days, you start seeing, your skin's getting better, brighter. Yeah. It's more fresher than,
And you would recommend the same cream for women of all skin types?
Yes. No, but then again, see, what is your purpose? See, अगर आपको brightening चाहिए और आपको dullness है, then I would say go for their, the bright range that they have.
अच्छा.
And if your skin's very oily, then they have a really nice light moisturizer. That is a light gel-based kind of moisturizer. So आपकी skin को, it won't make it more oily or won't make it worse. So they have quite a range that they've come up in the skin line. And
so this is the Pond's BB range, right? That's what you call it?
Yes, that's the Beauty Bright range.
Oh, and ये pigmentation में आपको help करता है?
That is their main sole target.
Main sole target.
Target the dark spots, pigmentation, brightening, uneven skin tone.
Uneven.
जो हमारा major concern है. So we finally got someone in the market who built a, powerhouse.
Powerhouse.
Niacinamide infused together with the moisturizer with niacinamide, face wash with niacinamide. So it's like a whole range that you have.
How interesting. And आपने पहले ही stress किया कि how important this ingredient is for women, right?
Yeah, indeed.
Okay, great. I think that sounds great. Is there any last message you'd like to give girls on how to look beautiful, take care of the skin every day?
I think they need to be really confident in how they are and what they are, because I think ये एक spot भी आ गया तो क्यों आ गया? No, you have a skin that will do it, and you don't need to go paranoid about it. Just relax, क्योंकि जितना you'll have a panic attack, you'll have more of these coming up.
Of course.
And it's not going to get you anywhere.
Absolutely.
So just be happy in what you are and get brighter.
All right, good. Thank you so much, Laiba, for sharing your thoughts with us. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much.